Hey guys, this is Haris from teamandroid.com, and here's another video with the Realme 2 Pro. We've talked about the good and the bad of this phone in our full review, but for those who missed it, I'll make sure to put up a link below in the description. For now, let's start off with this quick tip. Notches in Android phones have become way too common than most people thought it would. Some like the screen design style and some hate it. And there are some of us who just don't bother much about it. So for those who find it annoying, we found a way to make it less annoying. There's a solution to minimize it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the notch on this phone. Realme 2 Pro doesn't have a built-in setting to hide the notch like most Android phones. Well, but there's a way, and let me show you how to do that. ColorOS, which is Oppo and Realme's UI skin on top of Android, has an option to run the apps in full screen or without it. It is also known as Notch Area Display Control. So if you're in an app that runs in full screen or you don't like the notch part, you can force that app to not run in full screen to avoid the notch area. So let me just quickly show you what I just talked about and how to disable the notch. So for instance, you like to watch videos on YouTube. So for instance, I was watching this video, and if you run this video on full screen, it gets annoying in this part in the left side, which is the notch area. So if I want to disable this, all I have to do is disable the notch, the full screen access for YouTube. To do that, just go into the settings, go into display and brightness. Next, look for the app display in full screen option, tap on it. Then you see here, this setting, it's called Notch Area Display Control. Tap on it, and from here, go to the bottom. This is just a demo. You can actually choose another app that you want to disable the notch for. So in this case, I'll go with YouTube. I'll just disable it. And now I can just go back to the YouTube app, and the YouTube app will not run the video in full screen anymore. Let me show you. So let's just say I turn on this video, and see it's not annoying anymore. It actually looks better because of the bezel at this bottom part and at the here. See, the notch is now disabled for the YouTube app. This is how you can disable the notch part for any other app that you want it for. So this is it from our side. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure to press the like button and hit subscribe. Till then, see you guys later. Bye bye.